Good evening. My name is Dipriya Ghosh and today I will take your chemistry lesson on the atomic structure. So, it is a very interesting topic and let us begin. What is an atom? An atom is the smallest particle of an element which take part in a chemical reaction. What is an element? An element is a pure substance that is made up of only one kind of atoms having the same atomic number. What is a nucleus? The protons and neutrons are found at the center or nucleus of the atom. As you can see here, the protons and neutrons lies at the center of the atom and the electrons revolve round the nucleus. Atoms of each element has its own characteristic number, which can be distinguished from the atoms of another element, and that number is known as the atomic number, and the atomic number is denoted by Z. Z means protons and electrons. Both protons and electrons forms the atomic number. And what is the mass number? The mass number of an atom is protons plus neutron. They together forms the mass of the element. And what is N here? N means the number of neutrons that is present in an atom. And N can be found by subtracting the mass number from the atomic number. Now, let us understand that how these electrons revolve around the nucleus. The electrons revolve around the nucleus in definite orbits or shells, just like the planets revolve around the sun. Similarly, the electrons also revolve around the nucleus. And how these electrons revolve? They revolve in certain definite paths, also known as shells or orbits. As you can see, K, L, M, N and so on. The maximum number of electrons that is present in a shell is given by the formula 2n square, where n is the number of shells counted from the nucleus. The shells are also known as the energy levels. The outermost shell cannot have more than 8 electrons. That means the maximum number of shells, the maximum number of electrons that is present in the outermost shell, that is 8. It cannot exceed more than 8. Now, if you want to know how is the atomic structure of different elements, we can understand by different diagrams.